In this video I'm going to show you how to circle crop an image in Canva. So what we will do, we will go to Elements on the left side after we have opened a new Canva design. Go to Elements and search for Circular Frame. Once you have done this, you will find a circular frame and then select it. You can drag it to the corner and then resize the circular frame, and after that we can add a picture into it. So what you can do is upload your own pictures, but you can also use stock images. Now search for a profile picture, for example, and then choose one. Go to the photos, see all, and here you will find different photos. Let's say we would like to use this dog as an example. Now what you can do, you can drag the image into the circular template and then add it. Now what you can do also to resize it, you can double click on the image and then drag the corners to make it bigger or smaller to make it fit into the circular frame. After that, center the picture and then click on done. And now you have successfully circle cropped an image in Canva. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.